Hi guys, welcome to my channel Happy D.I.Ys. My name is Sandy and today I am going to introduce myself to you. What I'm going to do in my channel is that I'm going to show you how to do DIYs, where to keep them, how to use them or play with them. If it is any playing DIY, but probably it is going to be stuff that is like a showpiece or something. And I can also do challenges with my friends or family. I can tell y'all where I'm going to go in my next vacation. I can do tours, house tours, room tours, any tour. And well, if you don't have the things, just watch the video and you can buy them in shops in malls or any shops, any big shops. You can't buy them from grocery stores because it's not any grocery. It's DIY things that you will need, but most of you will have these things at home. So for my first video, I'm going to do a night jar. In this jar, this jar can be a decorative jar for your room while sleeping, and you can keep it on daytime also, but it shows up well at night time when you are sleeping. It also acts as a light, a tiny bit of light, so you don't waste any light. So it's a useful DIY. I'm going to make it in my next video, and it is going to be lots of fun. You're going to need many things, and I know you'll have most of them in your house. That's it for today's video. Bye.